He's really cool. I actually seen him from my kitchen. I guess my eyesight is pretty damn good. And he's red. I've never seen a red dragonfly before. And dragonflies are symbolic for new beginnings and to take chances and to go for it. Really applies to my life right now. So cool. Bye-bye. Oh, he's back. Yeah, I thought he left. He's right there. Yeah, cool. There he goes. He's coming back. Maybe he thinks it's another dragonfly because it's red. See if he'll let me touch him. No, not this time. Ugh. Oh, he's on me. Oh my God, he's touching me. You are too cool. Wow. That was pretty neat. And this is Melissa, and that was really cool. Bye. And like my video. Thank you. Bye.